Okay, my country people, today it been at the 2nd of November 2020, and me, Bertus Aterson, as una sabi me, are there together with our countryman engineer, Okana Seri Clovis, who don't decide to come live this sharp morning time for deliberate on certain things the way they happen, for make a we sabi level who day, and for also clarify some certain questions them, because plenty time people they ask questions them. We don't come today for answer.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much, my brother Bertus. I greet all my country people, as you know, my countryman junior again, Okanaseri Clovis. So we come live this morning for talk with our country people, for let them know, as my brother don't talk for let them know the truth and for everybody for understand which way they happen. Yeah. So today we will touch on many part then, like a discussion. We will talk on the dialogue issue. Yeah, when people either talk dialogue, we need peace, we need this, for make people they understand the whole truth about all these things. Yeah, so I thank you very much. As soon as you join, una press, una share button, very important.
Okay, my country people, as our countryman engineer don't rightly talk, as you join this live broadcast, make sure say you press your share button. Don't forget to for like and for comment, so as to help make this our platform it grow every day. But our highest thing, as we don't always tell una for share, so that the information we will pass them it go reach our targeted audience them. Okay, before we even reach which way it bring we today, una sabi say for long, me and Okanaseri will never be together. It don't stay. So I first be happy for say after all this long period, we as brothers we don't feel for come together again for talk for our country people as one. And one of the highest thing we don't make me be very happy these days. Now when I watch Nambere a video yesterday for Kumba, before I tell you my opinion, Clovis, you see Nambere a video now wait there for talk.
Well, thank very much, my brother Bertus. You know, so due to ups and downs, one or two things that we did follow him, we did do him. So they make us really get a chance for meet up. Yeah. Maybe today for center, tomorrow you don't come out, and they just like kind of thing. So the maker will not meet up, they'll thank us to don't meet up together. Well, I'll go straight to the point. Wait till I see my brother, my grandfriend, Nambere, Duam, where as people will call it General Nambere, where he do for Kumba. It's a very great step. I really appreciate his good work. I really appreciate that part where he do because you know say so that I make people understand that come from Meta Quarters where Jerry be the controller be created by General Nambere. You understand?
Yeah.
ABG now be the control the whole Kumba Meta Quarters. You understand? Now the man that way here Kumba be the main noise, Yeah. Nambere, the group Jerry. Tell me they can't die, can't give many tiff picking them now quarter way the thief do things them. You understand? Yeah, so I like the step where you take a risk for Kumba for the ground, for make the mommy then the papa, they make they understand. Say definitely if you don't do mistake, realize yourself and it work for peace. And I believe say any human being where it is reason very well, like somebody will get conscience, he go know say wait to nobody tell you the reality because nobody don't carry that gun.
Yeah.
He don't stand for fight. The very man don't stand for protect the people when they talk say one fight for defend the people, for fight for freedom. Then today if it can't tell that the simple it come out. For stay una it now what will happen. It means that there is something inside where it means a total terrorism.
Yeah.
You understand? Because
obviously
he was a major general, not an early general. Let me say being general among generals. Let me say be the appoint general according to diaspora classification. You understand? According to their terrorism. So it be the classification. So Nambere, and what I will advise any person now like Amba Boy inside bush for Kumba now. Now the where be the fear?
Yeah.
We just call Nambere wrong kind want to say pan and me this I want give up.
Beautiful. I think that one first touch on that particular point.
Yes, now very I don't tell any picking that listening to me now opportunity you will be the fear. Nambere they on ground now for Kumba. Just call it. Most of them don't call me say, well, you can't take me for Kumba. I don't think go for Kumba. I don't think I can take you for Kumba. I don't say you know jail or you know many places for go.
You know
I don't direct you. You know me, I can't take you. That's why you can't move me for that place. Now I take my foot cam. Now you can take your foot enter the bush.
Take my foot go. Now
So
I take and come
automatically now opportunity this for you to take the advantage. You go meet up it because you know get no bias mind for anybody because if you get bias mind. Now second for white people picking them now this shit no white I drop now many minutes for and wipe all the thing them. So now opportunity for them for look and say maybe they come they use the opportunity for come out now where it dey for Kumba. You understand?
Yes.
Because after all me I see life for give man respect. You understand? Nambere was a general. Right inside struggle I be respected. I be call Ipa. You understand? Because I don't carry that man to say general. This part of have been a big guns inside, but I be give respect. You understand? And up to now, I see give respect. No, not even anything. HD for it big pass me. So you must respect any person who pass you for age, no matter anything. You understand?
Okay, my contributor, ma just zoom in small. Give some 2 contributions where I see them for the as Clovis don't really talk. Number a visit for Kumba, maybe only for say the fight goes down. Now for say any Pekin where be for bush for Kumba, the fear for come out, make the Pekin get the advantage. Make is this opportunity for come meet up number where he give you number for that the video. Una call you way de yourself, una meet up he go take una come out come for DDR center. Now the opportunity that then 2. Number 8 visit for Kumba, it talk for we as combatants and plenty. You as combatant where you listen to me now. Ask yourself, say since when you decide say you not dead again, you drop your gun. Wait till you don't do for help community where you be spoiler. Number 8 don't go back for fix Kumba because you be spoiler. Now the bitter truth that. Now the same thing with me Bertus, I get that responsibility for go back for the BLM where I be spoiler. You where you did Bamenda, how many times you don't go back for say where you be spoiler? How many times you don't go sensitize the population? Tell them say this thing where will be doing it not be correct. Una leave them today. How many times you don't try for move your brothers and trade there for bush? Maybe you want there for inside DTR center today. Maybe you want drop that your own guns today. They say where they're alive today. Now some person he help you. If not be MKPD, maybe through Kawai Nick and others. Maybe you two if you don't die for bush. If you be saying some elite self because you wait till you don't do for save another my own life. Now question this like ex-combatant you get for ask yourself. For course you say ex-fighter not just mean say you just get for cash done for DTR every morning time, you drink tea, afternoon you chop, even you chop. No! You get a greater responsibility than this. It is not just sitting there giving complaints day and night. No. We get a responsibility for make sure say wait till will be spoiler, we'll fix them again, and that is all. Nambere don't teach me a good. I be almost be very angry with Nambere tell me she don't quiet. I discussed with my brother last night, but time when I watch a video, in fact I be overwhelmed with joy. I say nothing this way all will be expected.
I be tell yourself say, that be tell you the vex, eh?
Yes.
Tell you say no. Something they with me I get for tell you. I be tell you now.
Yes.
I say me I don't be with Nambere. I don't sleep one house with Nambere. You understand? Right for you on the air. I don't sleep for your house. Chop for your house. Do things together. Eh?
Yes.
Go drink one beer. Chop even so you have a road. I tell you, I know small thing the way he did. You understand?
Yeah.
Go the do am. So and you know say any man get style. So you should be happy that yesterday Kumba and wait till yourself.
I be very happy. I be very happy, my country people. Una not forget as una dey join. Una begin to share this discussion. Might be some picking in life go and be safe for Kumba today now because he go watch this program because all that boys and for inside bush they ever come for this platform. They come take the information now for this platform.
That is a reality. Well, thank you very much, my brother. But I'll see talk again concerning Nambere for that program, for that very visit for Kumba. I was listening to some video where they fool, some small the Chris girl, wanna you know we talk pidgin. The one say he be who's triple and don't know me. Ordinary pidgin don't know. That girl, he talk say the people will be fight, we go fight. He be major general, female major general. I don't know. There's a question me I want to ask these country people today. I want to ask una for that one. I know na mommy last. So we put that last. My woman don't be sorry for that, but it be somehow Now I need to tell them why you head not correct for inside. It's a female general. I want to ask you a question. General, we never ever hear sound for gun. General, we never even see play person they die. General, we never even know what's the beginning of the pass through. You say be female general, so we go fight. Who go fight? If you make that also come up for update camp for grand year, now you say no man go step foot on Ambazonia. Now be ready for the so-called land for Kumba. I want to ask one for the diaspora say you never step foot inside Ambazonia. First time you did, you think come from Ambazonia. That is a question supposed to be.
If any of the diaspora leaders want stand talk, say let us fight, let us continue to the end. Come and lead us.
That is.
I will follow you. I will follow you behind.
That
Every tato, Tapang Ivo, that dirty woman where he make that careless video.
That's
for
that
me
one
come down.
ATF, no, you don't come for IG because I say give small money. You see your IG game, you don't run come for can't chop your own share.
As make they come down, stand for front. Me, I the one talk say make other ex-fighters and go sensitize their place. I don't go a place. We don't
Definitely.
go. We don't work. Make them come down to lead we. Una not just don't for update. They make careless noise day and night. Una be done lost and una be done lost. Una not get no hand again. Una say number enough is step it told for anglophones. So ide outside. Ide kumba.
Ground zero.
Inside ground zero. You feel step now for a cock for border.
Look at all people make na mob. I say they stay. Bro, my brother no lie. See people they get and they make na noise. They be keep tomato say, you think go be that go le be na okada go.
Nothing na okada ride and go.
Look at me. Na no card. Look at the simple thing I say. So people need to understand. Any human being don't stand for front gun. Not a granote. See, I don't like saying no me now. When I listen to me now, the diaspora. When I want to talk people to understand. Ask any human being where you know me fine. Other one as so-called terrorists they work at tif. You know if you stand me, ask will be me they tell you. And then they make that thing they make them. Ask fine. Ask Ebenezer come and may tell you the truth. And so I even know people. I see they work at the 30 people and I do that. So man they talk say you never step foot. This is that. I don't do not ground zero. I don't work as Ugora at the other time about me live video 1st October. I go right for Tole. I give them time. I mean more than 4 hours for run out. Time that way any human being fit take you.
Yeah, if you can wait you for day.
I beg them somebody wait me. Look at that one I will show now. Mommy, papa, them, my sister, they will tell us say these boys in an empty noise. They just terrorize you and fight you for nothing, for make their money. Most of the number they talk a whole hour. They feel alive they talk. These boys they get house for Nigeria.
Yes, no.
Now them are
Good number.
What?
The last time we will go for receive guns and for Dr. Asun for Nigeria before I give up. Maybe we'll go this thing for inside some fight at your house. That guy in them now it's a Gallows Army. We'll go this thing inside the house, fight away the red build house. So this will take a very nice building, 6 rooms. The money they come outside. They gather money now for parent them.
See, you talk na talk. You know what you talk. Yeah, matter that talk you don't talk and so that one small. Ikeku, that so-called Ikeku for long. Ikeku na no am. Where they call it David Ikeku. Ikeku na thief man. Ikeku get house for Nigeria. You know how many house? The lowest motor na 2 million naira. Convert 2 million naira for Cameroon money. One time I tell you 1,000 francs. For naira, according to how naira it fluctuate, they can for 550 naira for 1,000. Sometimes they can 600 naira for 1,000. You understand? But according to HS, anyhow it then at 550. It get a duplex. It get hotel, 5-star hotel. The lowest motorway get them now 2 million naira where they drive jeep. People are picking they die every day for ground. It the food people that are they kill them every day. He own Pekin, he own woman, his sister they then Nigeria they go good school. He picking they go good education. They better their life. If they for grand, they work money for terrorism. They it tell una, mommy, papa, they say no. It fight for independence. It fight for liberation. Una ask una self a question. When me I see all this kind of thing, they want to know the simple truth. If I stay quiet, it means I'm very wicked. It means I be barbaric. I don't even know what they talk. It means I'm stupid. Even God for heaven will not forgive me if I not turn on the simple truth. That is a reality. I know how anything for Ikeku. Spirito the same thing. John the same thing. All them.
Oliver Lekelka for the
If you see, I said if you see their account. They catch the Ikeku almost 160 million. Where they catch small that Bushman go back. 160 million. Ask yourself, you, my people, you look me. Sometimes you see your pastor born, you start work, you never ever get that kind of money. But for how many years you can enter struggle? You can enter struggle very late for. You can enter around 218. 218. How much you don't make them?
I tell you one thing. You see, time where this thing just begin, we there for some place so they call and say Azian. We just been around 18 by then. Oliver and Mami na he be the cook we chop. Mami be still be village that time. You know how much Mami cook we chop for 2 days? You know, BWay Mami gam 380 something thousand. I mean, simple rice. Oliver just cash him because within that period, if he don't cash Professor Tambo, the then GC board chairman, he take 30 million. Out of that 30 million, money will not say he use them. He go buy 5 bikes. 5 bikes by then for Chang. They cost, I think, 2.5 million, 500,000 francs each. The rest of the money goes side for a pocket. Now, where they catch Beza Berries, the gospel singer, that is sister for Yaoundé here, they catch it with millions. So he account. Now, so these people, Oliver for some place of living, they call and Takwe, he get more than 60 hectares of land where he don't buy them.
Yeah, Oliver, on the eventual Oliver, don't have it. Inside Zenin, maybe ask for inside Zenin. All bullshit that they could buy them. As you get problem, they can't be top of the give million. It's like kind book, they don't buy people land, so fit for inside Zenin. Cocoa family don't buy them. Plantation, palm farm, them, you don't buy them. I say it get more, you don't buy plot them. But they it be upstairs now for Zenin. And that upstairs now for full the population say they for the struggle because when I took him for it. Now small chicken change. So it be the house and say, no, say you want fighting the food, the small picking there for a back. Say no, either for the struggle. It is big house. They generally big house for the village. For the it mean well for the struggle. When na just motive. Yeah. When that one make nothing for you after 9 money. Then the house there for Nigeria na different level. It get woman there's so plenty. And then the worst of it is when we get so waiting. This small girl. I also like the television all the truth go pray. To be make me a vex we get too much. It use that small people to destroy their future. Where sleep with them because you can say oh do that's the select woman for sleep with them. When a woman the ginger that to do.
Yeah.
And that people sleep with him because of money, because of selfie. If you want to meet up, they destroy that system. Then if he catch you, the amber fighter will follow his sister if he kill you. Because you know the simple truth. But he do it for your own sister. You understand?
Yeah.
Now, this very Ike Kuman, they be tell we say CDC for Iluani Balondo Bamuso subdivision. So me application no move oil from me. Me am no move oil. So I can go buy bullet, buy things. You know what? No less than 30 boys they lost their life. My own brother lost his life for that beach. For that Iluani, they catch with hand. They finish with it. For take it comes no fit now. Now the bed go take they call the broki balemba. For take today balemba. Mami na no get what again? Na the only boy picking that mami get am for his life.
It just be wasted.
That woman and every day they suffer. Then on top of that. The Amber boy for that very village, they return go torment that woman and access on this my brother. This boy being a boss for now. One of the people see that woman's happy. The one say because they get divided spirit because Amber and say waiting as you die, they forget about your survival of the fittest. So when I see auditing them, that people they come out carry so I can move for you me. Take that motor them pack up. You know what they get? They give 30 million. Me ask say that is very oil where the man talks about no move around can buy bullet. Why this man take 30 million for the oil? They carry the oil they pass through Mokoko Beach. You understand?
Yeah.
They give 30 million. That 30 million where they give is the one go buy bullet, you go divide this for camp. So tell today I tell you 25 no man no say no fit talk. Because you don't go take juju, suppress order, they get some food there for a corner. They are talking about the full someone every day think and find them more wise. You understand?
Sunday go big go
all those things them. Tell me I go Nigeria. I be facing a play. I go Nigeria. I go see anything. This one guy called Grand Joe for this is Lobetan. Even like Ike manager. So people don't know why minute you wipe that grand friend. That grand friend be the work with Amber, work with Amin. And it give all information, all detail for Amin because it be the benefit for this thing. Because being a home manager, they control the whole hotel. All you can with this in the Nigeria, they control them. Millions. Grand friend became money. I said, you something for life where they do something a bad thing, where they sleep for people with their blood, God will ever punish you. Where to bring for Cameroon, you know, fair no. Where they put your hand.
One of the things the way you don't talk and for the way you don't remember me, another thing we really need for educate or contribute them on. Now that mommy way the wife be only picking. You see, within this week, we don't see mommy that they march for plenty place for Boya, for Kumba, for Bamenda. Even right inside Yaoundé here, mommy they demonstrate, they cry, say people don't over die. But one thing way it touched me, now the fact say right for Boya, then we governor ask the mommy then say now who they kill now became the talk say they don't know. Plus, in fact, this is typical, this is purely hypocrisy. That is the mommy then a hypocrite them. You go come out for house, leave your picking with AK-47 under bed. Then we come out school for key. You go to your front, they say, now who they key? You say, no. Then you demonstrate, say, they end the war. They picking there your house where they carry AK-47. The mommy, they need even crying at that innocent picking them for Kumba. They crying at the Amber boys way military they kill am.
because they benefit the mommy they chop
They
the
the
boy
benefit. These boys they do am. So mommy they
them
are
money.
the year where he pikin
Na
they
Amba.
Bamenda
He send him
for
money.
zit and Mendong or
Yeah.
for Bamenda day. He the key people. He the stop school, but he don't send him mommy rent him mommy house here with the brothers.
They
Then
go school.
they go school for year.
Why the
when
kidnap
they
for Bamenda send money for mommy the chop?
when they kukumize one mommy then start the
That's
match on
right.
street. That match na very good thing, but me una do am wholeheartedly. Una know the match purely because they don't kill one but una know how many military them too they don't die. Una know how many innocent people the way they don't die. At the top nothing will be inside. I know exactly the way at the top.
Yes, my brother bet to wait you don't talk for that part. I need to ask something
Yeah.
before I digress some more. Somebody ask some question. See, that 30 million at CDC, Pamo give 50 million. You know how much they say Kickstart of Caterpillar. Kickstart of Caterpillar. Man we know for the country people. The anyone we know part of Kickstart of Caterpillar. Where he go move on. Not be one, not be two, not be three. All CDC so fit tractor so fit all property of CDC all property of CDC where CDC take away that CDC you want access that property them no less than 60 million to 70 million francs. Get what I tell you? Carry motor there. I mean say oh if Sam, my brother they not talk on the CDC property the way you get a rubber where the people they tap am. I mean say for 1 month that guy need to get no less than 20 something million. I talk all kind of money so more than 40 million only for Bamuso area. They not talk of cocoa farm them for Bameke, they don't drive them, take them. You expect say what you want tell them, what you want tell them. But look at me. Sometimes she don't say for the talk rubbish, she don't even know to the talk. I'll be ashamed. You understand? And some part the way don't talk them. Say the mommy them. I tell you something. Me I don't talk a whole last time. No. Time go reach way now.
Yeah.
As they are picking them for bush, you keep on pick papa mommy them. We to go after their own mommy them too small time. If they continue that very killing because it pays me a lot. You think money picking. This boy they get picking
Yeah.
They get picking very well. They are picking and they go better school. Then the day out, they kill people that own them. Make their own they safe. You know go so. What I think about that for your own the both side where if you see your picking, they do that. I get a small girl where he post the brother picture. When I go show after before the live broadcast. You understand no? I want to talk for the petit say. I tell say what are you doing? I tell say what you do am. He say man lead them a team. You understand? Yes. If you understand, I don't get the social. Oh, I see the picture. I go show him. I show the evidence. That guy small girl. He enjoy the go square for Douala. For Francophone zone, where brother is sending the Kunkumara brother them take money for them, send it for school. Where other support. I want make the mommy they make they understand. My people they make they understand. You know, now don't say that some of not they say our people perish because lack of knowledge.
Yeah.
I believe so. Don't
Ignorance.
educate you na plenty. Don't give you that knowledge. The simple truth na say this thing na business. That is the reality. If it takes a matter, it takes only person where get a conscience. I been a true person where it be realistic way. Even before a lifestyle, people they will be no so feel marginalized. Or be feel say or feel fight for get a good system for the government. Or be feel say or be don't build a outskirts. Or understand that's the reality. But now, as a time to go on, we realize it's not been a thing that way. It be there for people. They get that good mind. They decide for come out. We will decide.
Clovis, ma
You
tell
understand?
you one thing. Cameroon get problem.
Problem.
That one are the bitter truth.
That
If
is simple
person
truth.
one dispute that one, a very stupid
Na
man.
stupid man.
But tell me one solution
Sure.
for 4 years where Amba don't bring
Amba
up the
don't bring
Cameroon problems. Them. Cameroon get problem. That one are the bitter truth.
Yes, my boy, I know I cut a talk short. I want some.
Amba I don't instead can add problems them on
You
top problem.
You don't talk some fine talk. We will be talking. I want to ask something. So people talk say, make they go to the root cause of this problem. You understand?
Yeah.
I told somebody use some word. I want to ask these people today. Una soon I learn plenty. Book I get PhD, get do, and I be doctor, then I be politician, them. I want to ask you now. I be journalist. I want to ask you now a very simple question. What is the root cause of this problem? May they tell me the root cause. I'm still waiting. Obi feel say we no get good educational system. Obi feel marginalized, but the lawyers will stand
Yeah,
up.
Obi feel say
The
what
lawyer- they
educational
good.
system don't
The
bring
lawyers,
out.
the lawyers, they be advocate for many things them where they be cheated. You understand? Now I want to ask something. The lawyers they be stand up. They stand up. They march by 2016. They advocate because of some certain problem. They for country where they be worker. You understand? Now at the time goes, oh, we can carry gun. We fight. We go after who them back. The so-called
same lawyer and
teachers
teachers.
and lawyers. Now I want to ask you, what is the root cause of the problem? Where it means say what Ambazonian is totally terrorist. Where it means say what Anglophone they get their problem. Ambazonia is a different branch.
Exactly.
That is the reality because
Yeah.
I want to ask you, like a lawyer, like a politician, one of the claims of the land. At times I look at these people, I be ashamed. You can say be educated, but you people are missing out. I look and say, una go school, but no understand, una overdull. Despite the fact that me I not be educated, una bet. I think put una sense because una over stupid. Yes, you talk say me the root cause of this problem. Good and fine. What is the root cause of the problem? If you answer me, I want me the person answer me that question. Teachers they be mash up now.
Yeah.
We are be mash up now. Nobody they calm down. What will happen? The so-called Amba people start go back for that teachers and the lawyers them. Say Anglophone problem.
The bitter truth now say the teachers their problem. Maybe say the Anglophone system of education, it don't gradually be rolled out. Lawyers they be asked about the common law, this and that. All that thing then don't be done. And it is nice a problem, not in my brother. Now why when I reflect, anytime I remember I be one of these boys, my brother, I look myself as a disgrace to my family, as a disgrace to my children, because if I be ever know say this thing will be the way it be today. And then when I reflect, I see some boys see they will stay the pig gun post with them. Try myself, I just see a man they glad for go die. And they see a man they glad for go die. And
it be totally difficult talking about people. But now you don't go with the point of gun say they snap, do things, you understand?
yeah.
They picking the over stupid. First of all, I want to educate the boys in for develop well America. If they see you snap with gun, where you no get the norms, the monopoly for carry firearms, you no be written or
You don't get the
you know the
authorization.
authorization by the government or for the world like a military man. Maybe I tell you something. For developed country, you never have a job. You no ever work no for better institute, never for your life. The people of the house they know very well. Say this is our goal. Never drop it. But then they show the gun. Ask Eric Tato say, Papa,
Show the gun.
show the gun. If Eric Tato show gun for one video where they make them,
Carry on our own.
Sam, I said one video, make show the gun live. As I did live, say whole gun so for hand so he show them. Make people say how una they snap picture. Now because una over stupid because they use una. Una no get one eye brain cell. Then I see this foolish man, Eric Tato, he talk again, say they'll take the war to Francophone zone and this. Listen, might not tell us something, my people. What are they for dollar Yaoundé, the so-called Anglophone? Now go suffer. Those propaganda that they make and so very soon you go see the minute you go start. The Anglophones them.
They will start calling.
Where they go to disturb? I just look at these people. They honor to destroy our youth because they already destroyed them already. The day after just finish we. I want to tell you something. Say no, they remain an empty mob. You understand? As far as you know, they beep na beep. No one know they remain na no. I just Eric Tato, why you not fit come out for that diaspora can't do that work without what they do? If it not be an empty mob. You understand?
I said it not be possible for you to count from 1 to 50 correctly without passing 20. You must pass through 20. They never fit for take southwest and northwest. Now the one cross enter na French zone. If you say they will fit na that one.
You see the bomb, they say the bomb they explode for the place, so for the place. I want just make this one clear people. Ambassador life will claim ownership when they do one. You understand?
Yeah, no be them.
Those things are people the way they take an advantage of the government because the government they feel use them like their political gains or for their own kind of thing them. They make all those things them made the bomb so that made a regime the government now where the control may be in panic so that people feel the sabotage, they make certain noise, the propaganda. Then ambassador might take and claim. Let me tell you matter something. No be a granite. We not talk that a person where you don't know where to be Amber when a BGJ. Now people who know from A to Z, from Mr. for the last level to the Shiho. I mean all corner. Those things that are put away, na political rival them for the country. They want seek their own kind of political gain. They mostly go to do that thing there. As we stupid Anglophone, that's also waiting. This thing that so we Anglophone don't introduce something for ourselves because people take an advantage of our situation, take it for their own advantage.
Yeah,
you understand? They take an advantage for a situation where they face them, make their own advantage for gain something. You understand? Because we don't just make the area ungovernable. Now you just say anything. That's why we're not Batman. We're being a Batman. If you be thief picking for us,
yeah.
I just quote the example. If you be thief picking for inside house, mommy the papa them. Where your mommy not say be thief man, your papa not say be thief man. If anything lost for that house, then ask not
even
man.
If no be you,
if no be na you the thief man, so then their sister when the even thief because all I the point you say be thief man. Anything lost for that house, they go look na you. But whereas if you watch check out for the other side, you be totally innocent. You don't even know where to go.
For Bangwa, we talk say when lion dey captive, go there at plenty.
Yeah, and then my brother bet we don't talk of that part. Some part they were I listened Equinox yesterday because I like news. I followed news yesterday for Equinox. I was very disgraced. I mean, I feel disgrace and shame for the so-called journalists. Them, whatever you want to like me, don't like me, get out. But I want to tell the simple truth. I watched a small girl. It talk say we need peace. We need this. The government need to dialogue. They need to do that. I want to ask you what you know about Ambazonia terrorism. Nothing. You there for yourself. So I want to ask you, is a Kumba, what you happen for Kumba? Atanga Njipo and the 3 minutes and they go inside Kumba, they don't go for the play for the scene. You understand? So they don't go for the woman, they go for the woman in their house. I want to ask you something. They talk, I say, wait, Minister of Basic Education, it comot that way some special people for Douala, where some student be die, he go right for the family their house, he go show appreciation, just sympathize with them. He say, why I never do that for Kumba? I want to ask you something. Sometimes they also talk something they understand, just talk because I just talk. Or because I just seek some popularity, or because I just say, Roshi not to camera, who talk. I want to ask you something. You favor us, say, when that minister will try, go down and meet their house, I'm going to find them and meet them tomorrow. They for talk say, they don't give them money. I'm going to tell them, no, even know.
Say me they bring the money.
That will be killed that very day. And he tell them the life story. If that means that they will try pass for that family their house, I swear to God, if I'm not saying that, don't go bribing now, it work now. So I go before and don't compromise. And that man not speaking because of terrorism. I might look any opportunity to get for just do anything. You understand? Yeah. If you come on, they will go say they won't give that family money. They will come after that family. So when you know say for them for go for that house, doing the biggest mistake for their life because that family never live again. That is the reality. Because me I know the game. So when they talk to I know very well when they talk. That one concern I know like that Tanganji, I know the work for you. I know if he know me. Say you never meet up for life. You never meet up fast and fast. No one day. I know if you get me that kind of time, but at least for talk the truth. You understand? Definitely, you don't.
Yeah, if for fit go for the school, but
if for fit go for the school,
say me go right for that woman their house.
It be wrong.
Instead for they put the woman
for
and the whole family is still be under risk because the boys they must come back
and then they
ask
talk,
the money.
And then they talk say they be careful. They be careful. Call them. They come for NZO office. They be go to for their house. How want me to come to their house? We say make it ungovernable. Any man fit pass situation go wipe them and meet them. You understand? So the best thing about smuggling them out, make them get a small discussion with them. You understand? Those are the things. But the stuff when they don't talk at times. I want to ask the journalists there with Equinox. When they make empty more for France, they kill, they compromise 3 people in a terrorist attack for France. That was I think day before yesterday on the 30th. I mean 29 or 30 like that. Yeah, October. All this in TV station them. They can't cover it. They can't carry investigation. Right for that fee. How many of them go for that fee like a journalist? I don't even know now work and make
plenty of them.
They don't pass.
Na year say they report.
They hear say when they send them for WhatsApp, they take a they say.
How many of them don't go Kumba?
How many of them don't go for Kumba? Take live camera, go for them and meet their house. True. Una they open una mouth, they talk rubbish. Una go for them and meet their house. Go meet the camera, show evidence, mama.
Yeah.
Like a journalist na your work. Yeah. So say between now wait it happen. Interrogate, investigate a matter. They know how it taps small thing. But already pass for Kumana go she don't have Douala became empty noise. Most of the say so now they don't radicalize the place in our bush.
The bitter truth I wanted this journalism, most especially some few ones for this Equinox TV and I say wait, una sabi say when you use your talk, influence people they die. It be on your head too. That blood not will only affect Amber Boy where pull that trigger. It will affect you too. Where every time you do right news, only coin them for support them. So that may they conceal the killing. When something be very clear, Equinox, most of times we are not official one.
Yes.
But the one way we want them for coin and for cover up terrorism.
Yes, they will show them.
Now remember say that same blood, it go affect una the same how way it affect my way it perpetuate that act.
The thing I say if you ever understand say there is things where the kiwi for Cameroon I say we like people that don't feel soft no nothing. We no life will listen for the right source. You understand? Yeah. We life will make our own things because we don't learn plenty. Listen, I don't tell when I say you figure I don't get me PhD, but as it concern this ambassador and terrorism, I get PhD. Which means I fit teach any man, every minister come out and teach you. He listen for me for 10 years to wait because you know nothing. You never ever enter for bush, you never be with them. Not it pains me a lot. Now that poor mommy them where they die every day. Because look at me, they make them so that they stay for village. If you know what mommy they pass in the hands of these boys and for one day when they show you oh Papa God of Nazareth, most of them got talk so you know saying I so like them. Now because of what mommy they pass through, oh no. I'm not being interested for no minister, no man. What I be doing, you know concern me. My problem now that poor mommy say jama for Munya market for grand where they put on for grand is hell. That is my problem. My problem is that poor pikin when you don't get the one for chop. When never get man for sending for school, when maybe the money go work na job for sending for school, that is my problem. My problem is my poor sister, them and poor mommy that they die every day. And when they don't turn a prostitute for Nigeria, for Francophone zone, they don't turn a different level because of the terrorism. That is my problem. I don't care for una when I do that nonsense. But my problem is our people are suffering in the hands of ambassador terrorism. That is a fact and a reality. Nobody say they pay some money to talk, can I talk, but the facts, the facts, you know. At times when they talk something, more una know what they talk. Talk something will make sense. You talk at times they make a big shame for look and say journalists for Cameroon. How many of them go for the scene? No one. They make empty. We Cameroon will be incompetent. That is why you see Ambazonian terrorists of the diaspora be able for manipulate the youth themselves. Because all the so-called leaders wait for Anglophone zone. I talked last time. The mayor, the parliamentarian, the senators, them for all our region, them they are incompetent. They are a disgrace to us. It's a challenge. Me as a young man, for tell una say if we lost our lives because of una all picking the better their life. But I'm not going to stand up for even tell the truth. Look, let's see what happened for Campbell. That parliamentarian. Those are good example. What's my name? Honorable. What is my name from Campbell? I don't forget that my name. Look an example. Ever so far, they live good life. But people they die every day for down there because most of the politicians them they use an advantage for the predicament way to the party.
Up to now, plenty politicians they never fit for talk say this thing na terrorism.
Let some of them they call for bush out bush but not leave them. Una hold am because wait you Amber boy. So una hold am, una do this, una do that. You Amber boy, I want ask you something. You like if I want talk now for una, you the Amber fighter, you will pick you away for bush. I want ask you something. If to they call to them they shit down, they give some position, do something. You are poorly educated, not get fair school. You see there for bush. Ask yourself. The man where they call you say continue fight. First I own picking day. First I day. First I own papa day. First I live. How they live. That's a question you will ask yourself a question. How long I will be food? They only use when I make their money. I'm not telling one thing. All when I go be compromised. That is the reality. Whether you like it or not, now your choice. Just make your choice and live a good life. Or you remain, just a matter of time, you be compromised. And I talk with you today now, until the next day will break your 2 hours. It's a choice. Now, some way, I just tell when I didn't put you. So, my people, I want to make them understand. And most of them read news them. At times, when I be careful when I talk things. That's why I only make a statement. Not talk to where you don't know. When they call you to move back. Not talk to where you don't know. The Kumba massacre and Amba the Duam. And everybody know the simple truth. Now, they don't be afraid. At times when they give them opening SMA, they no fear, when they talk now, most of them should also cry. And they tell now.
Plenty of them, mommy, they know say if they talk openly,
they can't kill them.
They also come pick them. Now, why that way I don't watch some news this morning time where some Peking they reveal some KBB school say they be wear military clothes, and shortly after they move the military clothes, they emam for day before they climb their bikes and they start the go.
We don't show that exhibit again and again and again and again. I don't know why they see worry themselves. I want to show them again and again. May they see them. Sometimes they talk say now which one be even investigator picking themselves now. Terry Ngombano.
Yeah.
Yes. Terry Ngombano, I be investigator picking them. I want to look some picture. I don't show them last time so my live broke. I was okay, good. I say I know okay, good. 90s good. 90s. When I don't say no, no pity that no. Now that, now Amber that no. Now AK that, now that. If you see the man, he put that caption for no be na I mean na boot that, I mean boot that they for a foot. No be na I mean boot that. Most of them at times now this. I don't know why. Look at me. You see now what it is. Look at now this is that for your hand, chain cutter for your hand. PKM like that. You don't see them. At times when I see some people they talk say they put on uniform, they look at them all on the head of boss.
Like saving for inside quarter una need see
wear uniform. Look at me. Look at you know something. To a Kiwi the Ambazonian people them. I might tell them something. Now because of the corny, they like lie telling from the beginning of this thing as scam. Now what they look and say no, even the boys they don't understand when I lie them. That's it. Now what they say people they surrender every day because they realize everything about a lie. You know if ever she don't know one time, but like people they see the truth. How long? So one man ask all those say ask them for their WhatsApp group say how long they go continue for the lie. For do these things and how long?
The worst thing where hurt me for this Ambazonian thing, I say they no ever talk and say verify and say it be true. When they tell you say for this day UN go be so, it come up being a lie. When they tell you say with the train army for South Africa, it come up being a lie. When they say Amba national team one play and not a friendly match with some other country, it come up being a lie. In fact, all that thing them now fake. I be done for that scams on time. For Libya, that was in 2019, early 2019. Where they come up for update now every time to call we tell we say as people don't overdose so make we cross border to go attack military for the other region, we've been at West region, we'll go for Fongwendem army post for night. We'll come through army, don't be even be forgot because it no be war zone.
Yes.
We'll come stay, we'll surround that house, we'll start shooting. My brother, you know what happened that day? The Frab Lazarus, where we been a person who don't go training for army, he run. Lazarus, for Lazarus. The Frab Bone, the Frab Tilapia, the Frab Papa Wata. In fact, we lost 6 picking them for that same day. 6. I thank God where I did so once God be felt like me, God be one man die. I woke up for them, my brother. Tracation. I abandoned my bike now. That was people they want trust them. I know say they carry all day. That was people they take them lesson. I run for my dear life. You way you still hear the rubbish. You want fall into that scam. Go ahead. It's a choice.
Yes. My brother, but you don't just talk something. Don't bring something from my head now. So I want advise you boys and something. Now time this will make money. Anytime the media I tell something. If you talk something, I go for Francophone. No, tell Papa go. Not deny.
Send money.
Tell me send you money cash. Because Francophone don't want to tell you to tell you need to go sleep for hotel. I don't sleep for any kind of hotel because go so cheap hotel to find you. But sleep for classic hotel. No say.
Yeah, that kind of man.
Tell you want sleep for hotel for 25,000 for one night. And that mission, so you need to study the area. You go stay for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, make times that money. 50,000 for one night. Tell you so. So if you don't give, you go you. If you desperate now, make count that money. You get for chop. You go live some life, people no suspect you that kind of man.
Yeah.
And for transport the kind of thing, you get money. Tell you so. You take that money, you pocket it, better your life. Because when you go die. And I want to tell you now, then you get to you pass, you go die. Because one of them they can make them. They only 6 minutes they recognize them. And they come for that part where they can go place on auto for you. So the only 6 minutes they recognize, but you know go. And people that go Francophone, so much tell now. If you not see that ball on a ball, on keep on wipe them, no play. That's a very difficult to attack Francophones. You want to go now.
They feel only pay their agent the way they are on ground, like boys the way they don't run. Now why that they always emphasize the way you talk, say you don't drop your gun. Not just go hide for Francophone zone. Go direct for DDR. In fact, go meet up government authorities them. Because that boys and two they drop their gun, they run can't just down for Chang, Douala, Yaoundé. It be very easy. Say person pick phone, call that kind of person, convince say go do this one. Eat one.
Now say most of the people convince the person to don't get sense because you know so far they don't give them that money. Man tells you give 30 million. Every tell me say man stop asking, they'll give me 25 million. They'll give me first 5 million, man they'll give me other one a scam. How don't I want fool people? Now only stupid mind no get sense. How much they'll tell you may go there, they don't give you the money. You want more for euro. If you sell you small money, tell me cutting yet make you some huge amount cash that will give you. My boy, no pass.
Okay, my country people where they join now. Now don't forget for press una share button. Una also like una comment. And if any Kumba boy they here, we don't just join. Remember, say we say anybody sitting inside bush or Kumba, number ready Kumba now. So call your number. Make it not leave you for day. You remember kukumais or nothing. You remain lost your life for nothing. Make good use of this advantage. We don't first talk at the beginning. Thank you now.
Me I be born Kumba Pikino. I'm not get for go Kumba anytime of now. Anytime I'm saying for Kumba.
I'll be ready for accompany you go.
Anytime, I be born Kumba Pikin. I get for enter my town. That Pikin they were na Pikin they know na Jakarem. Yeah, na Pikin they were yesterday. They never take work. They only make now. I don't know why not waste enter for their brain. Play the now they regret them. Now so play they regret them. Why wait to make them? They go do that kind of rubbish.
When you jambos Tramadol with banger, what you
expect
say it will be the result?
They regret them.
Wait, it will be the
so,
results.
Now, mommy, papa, they don't have. Say, I'm gonna tell you something. We come now for that part because go play some audio where they say that bullet too.
Yeah.
Go play that audio. More go now for the part of dialogue. Where the rap I play on today come on inside the house of AMF. Where they call it the Amazonian Military Force. Me I call and say Amazonian massacre. You know. Where they massacre people, now they are forced that. I go play their audio where you come out and Mrs. are inside the group. I'll be a whole boss of general inside that group, the biggest gun for prove the people that they simple to me. Say even they talk about dialogue with diaspora, so manipulation. I want to make everybody make understand about the dialogue issue. No, say no. There's nothing like that because we are right from the ground zero. Maybe I'll play for you. Maybe say.
I don't care if government say one dialogue with the diaspora. It's scared if you don't ever carry gun. Government dialogue with them, it go come back dialogue with we. That is a bitter. That is a bitter truth.
Wait, me I play am. Me I play am. No worry yourself. No worry yourself. No dey my phone dey so na some hey shape. The phone over fine. This worry. Because people are not vex. Dey my phone dey so I don't manage one, so I manage. I know easy. Yes. When I hear am, from the AMF. My first show them the video. Now that no also no House of Lord AMF. Now that I'm inside the group that now WhatsApp. Now that now be here the discussion inside.
Okay, ma just go the next point. They talk about the Swiss talk. Ma just go. Yes, the people that will contact me because they know said that me are really the main person for the AMF. Well, they like with the unite the forces and for them because the best way we get an information make me they know say AMF now the most unified and structured group way it there for ground zero. So they will say they will need to get in contact with me. So I be talk with them, we talk, we explain, I give them say would they so any diaspora at the stand for them for talk on the behalf of ground zero, may they never take us serious because now we will be the real persons. So that make them understand say now only we will decide. And we will not get the means for say we.
I want to pause that place. You know, they na ground zero that they talk say any way they have to man talk for up against the negotiation for ground zero na lie.
Because na them for
Now
ground
them
they
for
get
ground
power.
they get this is what take my own government say they tell na the 2 9 for update. When would they talk something no? Una listing because they writing. I don't get the audio very well. Una listing. Me I go for the second one.
They go to attend small meeting them
Now, be
where they go to hold them so that we to go to be updated on how things that they go. We not feel the shit on so the shit on for darkness. We don't know what they do. Maybe sometimes it be some point fee be because they tell me say more no feel discouraged though it go slow but it is good. If I say more still get somebody way it give you some more updates. No na say would like to say all thing don't end but the person go the people they go to give you update on how things that they go so that we do the follow so that also that as things that happen for this side we do know as we direct
Good.
ourselves
Go for the next
so
one.
as we talk with them and make a meeting no say
Ma,
we
go for the
get
next
an
Now what did happen? They can have baby house meeting go on with.
Okay, good. Sure about that one. Somebody struggle for call me.
Yeah, the mediator, that talk correct, fine. But all I say, as they don't contact you, you know which way be good and which way fine for all man. Me na only bad, me na only good thing they come for any direction and for the way we will stand firm and for succeed. Sharp. The cafe day up for that one and cafe day for the people where the contact for the Swiss talk.
Now the na ground zero that for AMF and it goes to one.
Yes, thank you, Pa. Thank you. The Swiss talk na that. Then I go on for tell we make no man no contact una for back in the form of say the one make una say muna make una passport for say muna come for anything. Nothing of such. Stand over even ready for that kind of thing. So make no man no fall prey. Make no man no fall under that choky for that kind of thing. Make no man no contact you say come do I make you passport me go she don't do one now wait. No man. Even
Okay, good.
Yes, good evening, house. Yeah, mediator. No, your place there for that one, my brother. Your place there, if not so, all thing they fine. One again, before I forget, na Commander CJ for Lower Bafoot. Asalo all my
Commander
again for us.
CJ for Lower Bafoot. You hear me? Wise.
If not so, you know ourselves today for Ghana. I believe say nothing no day.
Good. Then I hear my own discussion inside the house.
Greeting house. I greet everybody. Prime Mediator, your cafe day up.
Now continue to talk so
But something that one had an insight concerning that diploma them. What the talk say person will represent we for in case of anything where they keep we update. We know so we first struggle because the struggle for unite. And I believe say all the various countries will never come together. So if we talk say anything where the people then they'll go represent we for or they'll keep it update, we need to work with IG them. But more no say inside the very ground to they too or see case of people that say work with IG. And with that one I believe say will bring with some problem. So if I say this so more struggle before one be that diplomatic style stuff, more we see how we struggle or the ground zero come back as one because some people don't know yet come with we. Yes, like people like be alone, like free marshal. So if I say more reason and so for that part I'm also more either travel floor.
Good.
no, you talk fine. Yes, but I want to make a man, you know, say for some kind thing to no man, no so no favor obtain 100% for 201 do. The small will get to continue with them. That is the truth. Till when we know say, till when they say they go realize say 8 to 2, all will get for be as one. We know say people they inside here they see get, but they see they attach more to IG. We know, but I don't know how they the one for see. But small. Me I know them.
Okay, good. Then I'll go again with some other one because I get for Senna. Yes, now after other meeting, behold, where they call so switch talk. Mona listing. When the diaspora be understand, say, Ground Zero don't wise. Those are wise. They be bypass the AMF for fool some other one. Then this. Now the letter this where the writer where they send them to one person. I don't say I will read that for Mona here. I'm just learning that the Freedom Bonds organized will launch the bonds this coming Saturday, and that will be having a conference meeting with the generals. Now then they go for society. This means they have, despite and bypassed AMF, some general inside AMF have a past behind to their main findings. When me say they already talk say they don't pass the Ground Zero. Some of the diaspora they don't pass the Ground Zero fighters them. They don't convince some generals them for make them say make they listen for them. Make they hear because they understand the Ground Zero we don't understand. So they pass through of the people that will be BLM and free marshal because talking for this and they will we need one AMF and they still go again for see make a more here again more. Okay, so it said that is why they will ahead to do launching this Saturday. Now listen very well. Then it took us waiting. They also want to create a national army, and that they already doing it. You don't hear no. Now in this fine for here, Mona Sam. Now in that inside AMF house, where one of them inside the diaspora, see Senna inside Seweti, he been na this man say ma try that die name.
But me no man no share this document outside.
The document no share am. They tell you I go share am.
Or confidential document is no man no share outside. Now the terms and conditions then that will be given for them. So any man who want to go sign thing with tomorrow, you know, go get any benefit for them.
Good.
Okay, my control come inside small for that point. All these audios are already play after everything now for sure. Now say wait, if government for Cameroon, even if they say one dialogue with people where the devil diaspora now for waste their time. Ma tell you now today for bring peace for Cameroon as an ex-fighter for bring peace. My suggestion now say wait, we will be carry the guns them. And the one the way they see the bush, may they drop their guns and Maui no one drop a gun. The Kukumai said that is all. Now the only way this way peace if he come back, because even if today the government of Cameroon a dialogue with ADL, IG go deny, so Kadef go deny. If they can't dialogue with IG, the other people they go deny. Now so it go be on ground. If government who one dialogue, now which group one stand? So if government, the highest way government will do for bring peace, now for either bring in some other method as they already bring the DDR for disarm the boys away the devil inside bush, or for kukumaize them all. But one of the highest thing way they even make this thing very difficult. Now the fact say people that infiltrators and today they inside government.
No, we go play on the time they come for that one. Yes. Thank you very much, my brother Bertus. I will talk of that small dialogue issue too. Now, so I want to ask you where the open your mouth say dialogue. I want to ask you now something. The one dialogue with you. Ground Zero the tell on a financial AMF. Where me at days I know it way. But I tell on say no. Make Cameroon government forget about it so they for diaspora and concentrate on the people on ground. Now, because the Cameroon government will be very poor in communication. That is what I tell now every day. Say the government, Cameroon government get one way with communication. They get 0%. Because I make it clear the last time say if any government they fail for understand say if it get direct connection with the commoners on ground, that government fail for get a good country. Because these ambassadors are now the commoners on ground. You understand? Now the poor man they on ground, they are picking them. Nobody na minister they are picking them. Nobody na colonel they are picking them. So when they go talk with that colonel general, that if of no use, minister if of no use, the people you need to talk to are those poor commoners on ground that are suffering. When they are picking them, they die every day. For tell them, make them understand what will happen. Forgive them, sensitize them, put them knowledge, make them understand. But Cameroon government be poor in communication. Now they only pay attention to religion to the diaspora. Ground Zero that way. Diaspora understand say we Ground Zero don't wise they use we say not be suffer people they can enjoy or deny say any talk now listen about I play and back say any negotiation where any diaspora man take am for update make them know say e no go work. Now when I say that switch talk be fail they turn for back for convince some few fighters them few general them will say they want make their passport full they will carry the camp for Swiss say make they get on dialogue when a scam. fool them, so that may they convince them, so that may they able for access to imagine that wrong commode camp for dialogue. You understand now? We be being a scam because Ganzoro don't tell and say no get no powers over. When I hear and find me I talk right inside the AMF house when I globalize something and the AMF say na scam. I still turn more time as they come again. So when I feel see the reason why I say wait, when I say dialogue. Now one dialogue with who? Diaspora no get autonomy for ground. Ma tell now, diaspora the only make that notification and say wait. They no fit get no. Ma tell you, they no get number for cowboy on ground. Maybe I tell you the simple truth. Now say they come on media, they don't say media na play to go viral. When they talk, so the whole world go listen now. So on top, you know, Amber boys don't go do I afterward. That's why they don't talk. Say, you understand now? You get the point there now. When they don't get autonomy for ground, because they don't have to make their money, so they scare away the population. Will say wait, may they make their dough. You understand? That is the reality. When I don't find waiting, there is nothing like that. Now, me I want to tell something. When I feel say me, I therefore I don't like to be minister of Cameroon. I want to be minister. Anything I don't ever be minister because now me suffer. Now me I face them. I don't lost 6 brothers them. They burn my ass. I lost 2 machines on my own. My sweat. What they to know sound? They burn them down. Anything I lost nothing for this struggle.
Nothing.
No, nothing for this struggle. They don't instead make money. So no man no go. I get mob. I get at the sea. At the talk. Now me, I go negotiate for myself. No man not go negotiate for me. No man not go dialogue for my behalf. So to the way, and so any man there for outside the position with who. So you can't shit down when a part road die or they can't negotiate you bib na bib. I'm better to ask you something. As you don't like to be minister of Cameroon.
Why not?
Why be fine? If you enter bush now because you want change now.
Yeah.
Now you go accept when some man really fight, you never see suffer. You don't lost your picking at 8 years old. Your own picking born of your belly 8 years, you maintain for your young age, you lost them. Then someone come out with diaspora, we all picking they enjoy. It's a worker dialogue for claim ministerial post. Then you should not for grandma brother. You think green that kind of thing.
That one I wish.
And I want to take Cameroon government say they were the green that kind of thing. No, make the year fine. The one way ambassador they do the bib na bib, they will see the real the very one. Me I was stand up for one day I kill more than 300 people. I didn't make that noise. Mona year fine. I didn't hide my comment. I didn't hide. I didn't make my very clear they know because I me I suffer. No human being no go she don't talk for my behalf. I get the mob. I get the power. I feel talk at the sea at the worker. Why they go talk for my behalf? They fight for me. My brother I feel go talk for my behalf. The ex-combatant. Any ex-combatant I feel go talk for my behalf. I'm about to talk for my behalf. Yeah. Because if they pay the feel, but no man will not carry gun for bush. Man will not carry gun
for US or Germany after you woke up and say you want talk on behalf of
fighters. He never chop white rice. He never sleep for mosquito. He never beat for 3 years for he not chop red oil. He no follow man. That was not do thing them. You ask yourself for social life. You live le zombie chop in the smell. No human being know pass that. If you know pass that, if you know what chop white rice, ma tell now white rice, no salt, no pepper, no maggi. Because I chop that chop you need chop okra, you need chop do one, you need chop do one, you need do one, you need cross for do one. If you never live a wanted life, that kind of life will suffer. So the way I bush, never negotiate for my behalf. So put down for your bread because that day now, when Cameroon government they think for go negotiate with them, they don't say we go start them back because I will start them. They can't talk to we. Now you talk to now. Yeah. When they give them millions, give my own millions. I want to make a very way for the government. When government they cut the part, when government give the diaspora 10 million, give me 100 million because I'm here fight. They give a position, they'll give my own minister position because I'm here fight. That lie. So if you say me I go fight also, I can't shit down a chop, may God punish all now. Now the craze. That time don't pass. People are wise. I know I lost my brother them, lost my party them, lost my brother every day for where they die. That I'm about my brother them. That they release that way. That the simple truth now. They are our brothers. We know them. Ma tell now. No man, any man when he say talk say dialogue, last solution, man put that for your brain, cut the part, put that, educate yourself very well. Say they will come around government think of that total war system, but that one they do on the beep na beep. That's what they go make up for school so they beep. I feel stand up for one day for nightclub. I open, no when I know how to play, we go buy gun now. For Nigeria, I know all people have to enter and I tell them now talk now waiting. So teacher say I'm say we get independent. Una wait till get that independent, see total war. We know what ever happen. Now the beep na beep. Now even so Sam, I wait to for grand here. Oh, na for diaspora no. We wait na for grand here.
Other one na for make una sabi say una no get monopoly over violence.
So
una sabi say at every one moment the same violence wey una dey perpetrate and we too fit do am something personal. And I say we don't look and say
you need pay
gun no fit. We need instant na pen.
Na pen for write
this thing. We don't need gun. AK-47 no fit ever bring peace. E no fit save life. We don't decide for choose the way. We don't decide for choose pen like the best solution. Now why do you see most of we go back for school for learn?
That is it.
As we don't rightly talk, say na only ground zero. If we bring back solution for this thing, wait I go advise the elite them for do now. Now for say waiting, may we try for act for intensify our sensitizations them. more try for and like we when I don't see how we'll go right for LeBLM plenty time we'll talk for population. Look the way LeBLM don't become now. LeBLM don't really be calm. The one plenty don't drop as I they speak with you about 6 and the way they don't drop. Now don't see their pictures them. Every day they drop. Now the same thing where I the bet early them from every other place. Even I be ready for go for place already not be na my place. In as much as I go save one life.
Yeah,
If follow we bike inside rain, we'll go right for my division. We'll be ready for make early then try for intensify for make our way. We'll feel go other place and we'll try for tell this mommy them. Make the sabi some the mommy then they way the only way they talk for them every day na amber. Tell me how they not go believe the lies them. Tell me how they not go believe say tomorrow they will share country.
My brother, I want to ask one small part again concerning that dialogue they talk. This dialogue they so the down of the house will not get no use. You understand?
Yeah.
We don't hurt plenty people. The poor men they die every day for village. They get to be on top that very kind table with one talk. They get their own opinion for share. You understand?
Yeah.
Because they be a victim. All the refugees are there for dollar where they don't try they suffer. They get their own for talk. But not the diaspora man wey never carry or if you say they for Cameroon politician, you want to take advantage for our blood now, you know go. You know the beep na beep. You know what happen. So you are there when you say if you don't like a baby book, you know sometimes they wait when they cut go shit up front of room. Yeah, I'm a degree holder. My brother, that's no work. When I work, I work you. Man, when I work, because all man don't wise. The mama me no go die for village where the suffer no get one for chop. Then you want cash done. Where after all the cash down position. See, you see Anglophone. I don't care. Anglophone they are very wicked. Anglophone man are very wicked. Man, see, if you go for office, where me to Anglophone man for Yaoundé or for Boya, it is mele say no. It not a being the Anglophone. Sam. Anglophone people.
You first feel so what we talk say marginalization, this and that. Now only Francophone they do that thing. Most of the people the way they use we for inside office them. Now our brothers,
my brother,
English brothers.
I go for go take some tea where you know the same for me. I meet up Anglophone my own brother. But email say see mommy born me. He no pitch. He no even know. Me say I hear you talk na question na don't come back. Na graphy. But I wrap my hand. I say so you be Anglophone. He say I be I wash you. I tell you off. He come and say, hey, my brother, na cost. I say, get out. Get out. I say, soon alive. Anglophone people will be very wicked, all to want that and a selfish interest for your own personal use. Now, most of them don't talk the truth because they make gain. The people that we will get a conscience. We love our people. We love them so much. We'll ever stand for them.
No, nothing, not the way ground zero don't gain and since this.
No, nothing.
Now, diaspora, they gain at every one moment. They don't make millions. Now they drive in good cars. They get better house them. Wait till we get them. What poor boys will get and they don't burn them all. What houses them. What schools that don't climb forests. The few people they want to go shoot them again.
My age be Okada. They'll be so hard for work. Now balance and take. I buy a balanced machine. I buy my own. I see buy 2 on top. The boner. You know what I pass through? My long about them because of una.
Don't wait, the fact about me, it's not been at themselves. Now the infiltrators and where they still there for this side, they claim say that they work for Cameroon government. They take the money. In fact, they carry bullet where they get for use and defend nation. They go sell them for terrorists them because they want them for take that money, go smoke. Yes, they want them to do this. Some of these gendarmes are not and armies they not feel like and make this thing end because they make money. Government they give them bullet, they go fight, they go sell them.
Yes, thank you very much, my brother Betu. Just talk, may I find that video.
As I talk to my country people, look at controller from Gutonga where you come much and for go for my division. It pass through for control way they any Anglophone they can't give 1,000. Francophone they give 500. Tell me how manage where they go want and say make this thing stop. Anybody whether they get book or not, they can't give money.
Yes,
gendarmes they cash people up and down, take money.
I want to show them something. 90s when I read them. I want me to say any country people that read them. Na bullet that no, now see no.
Na see that bullet they read
what right for day. No, don't say no. I want me the government take note. The government official, the people they made it take note. Say wait till it happen. No. Una don't say no. Una look and find. Now I'll go now for the audio. I want to go now for the audio, bro. You understand? Now give me some little seconds.
Now listen the audio.
Yeah.
Now bullet and this way now a military man, they carry them, sell them for Amber boys.
Now listen. I know if you play, I'll just play it to them for down. You understand now?
Yeah.
Now listen.
Your brother they say me or disturb me how we you know they were struggling for worker.
Now yeah.
See, you've been the man. You know if you sell me someone too. I tell you, see, they tell and so sell them for we. You tell me now what you been the man. I stick them this so the pull away with the buy them for them. just see a bullet is so. And so your brother is selling for we are a caliber man. So it in them and them. Therefore the poor man like you is negative. The time for what you na get to sell with it more do better way. Don't forget in them no. If you take all the money for the one they go like something 50 something million in them say they work for Amber Army this and that. Get terrible and sell for we shift my man, shift you for that place, you suffer and suffer inside. You are mean to say the one and the one will not really reach for my hand, they gave for me now so yes.
Okay, good. Una don't hear them. Now the so-called bullet now they see sell and for Kumba picking them again, they go do that work. Now I want to ask something. Mommy, papa, them will not tell you now this truth, I no go know. People they don't take infiltrators, my brother call them. They don't take an advantage for way to the past to take and make their money. Now evidence that show now. Now military, I get a number for the Amber boy where they transact that business. Yes, it's there for my phone. When they sell the bullet for them, they make money. That same bullet, they go take them. Shoot their own brothers. Shoot school picking them, shoot civilian because he don't care. He didn't make my money. He don't care because I'm making money. Now what I tell you, Emma tell you now, there are many people there for government, and only few people. Me, I don't care if I die. I don't care for my people. I tell you the simple truth. You test me anywhere, one thing cannot. My people not going to continue to suffer for nothing. We know the simple truth. What is happening? Or people are dying every day for down there. Picking they lost their life. See that small school picking them. Put 2 times picking them. You the military man go sell that bullet. Or see your own picking there, they go school. In their own picking them for shoot them so how you feel. Government don't employ you. They train you as a government worker. We pay you on top of our own sweat for tax. They pay you like a salary, you better your life. Then you sit down, you be a rebel, you take bullet for the nation, you go sell them because you say you want get money, because you want live good life for the government, you want make sure the military might get money. My brothers, they know ask ourselves why we wicked, we Cameroonians, so why we over wicked?
Yeah, my country, I don't know. Boo Black say we are not getting you well. I don't know if our volume be okay now. May some person just indicate if our volume be okay.
So, una fit understand